Well, it looks like I've got a few things going on here. I'm in a condo, a nice little 2-bedroom condo. It's a vacation condo rental in Maui, and they asked me to come over here and take a look. And I've been doing all kinds of stuff over here. I got a whole little list here going, and I still have a few more things, but I wanted to show you just briefly a few different things. Yeah, you want to come out to Maui? Let me know and I might get you hooked up. Okay, what else did I have here? Adjust toilet tank in the master bedroom. Yeah, I just, I checked it out. I checked this out, and the tank, let me get the lid off. I don't want to do it by using just one hand because I would hate to break this. Okay. When I looked at this before, the water was almost up to the top. It was about right here. So on every flush, they were wasting probably, I don't know, half gallon of water or more. Because see, usually I keep this water about an inch down below here. In fact, I might have to look at that. That looks like just a little bit more than an inch. And I adjust it right here. What that does is it raises or lowers this float right here, and then that adjusts it. So if I want this water to come up just a hair, I'm going to raise this float up by adjusting this screw. Okay, you can do it with your hand. Sometimes it's kind of hard, see, like that. Or you can take a standard screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver and you adjust it right there. I like these kind of water fill valves. That's from, who is that from? Fluid Master. That's a Fluid Master 400A to be precise. Okay,